So it's officially been 2 months since we opened our last Funko Marvel Corps box, which was the Avengers Endgame. And now for the months of July, we get the Spider-Man Far From Home. But anyways, let's get into this unboxing of the Marvel Corps from Funko for Spider-Man Far From Home. Let's peek in. That's it. That's all we're gonna see. And looks like okay. It's a Midtown Science and Technology little bag. I forgot what these are called. Zipper bags. Ooh. Doesn't look like that all good of quality. This honestly feels like something that will very easily rip after a couple of use. Moving on, we have a little Spider-Man sticker from the new Spider-Man suit that he has, the black suit. I actually like this sticker. So for September, the next box will be Marvel celebrating their 80 years of making comic books. So if you want to get this, make sure to go to Amazon.com, look up Marvel Corps, and subscribe to the bi-monthly subscription to get this for September. Okay, and alright, we get a little Spider-Man hacky sack. Weird, interesting. I guess since they're high schoolers, maybe? I don't know. This month looks like we're getting like last month where we got 2 Funko Pops. The first one is Spider-Man with a borrowed jersey. Or should I say Peter Parker, more like it. Not a fan. Would have preferred a actual Spider-Man thing. So here is Peter Parker or the Spider-Man borrowed jersey out of the box. It looks whatever. Like I said, I'm not a real fan of this one. It kind of looks like he has his Spider-Man stealth suit underneath, and he just have the jersey to cover it, I guess. So honestly, I'm not a big fan of this one. But anyways, let's get the last Funko Pop, which is bam. Oh, okay, this is cool. Okay, it's Mysterio, and it says it lights up. Oh, this is so bad. Oh, let's definitely get this out of the box. First off, even before we light it up, look how amazing Mysterio looks with his little glass dome, the smoke, his little Illuminati, his suit, the cape, his little floating nimbus. It's all pretty cool. And then, wow, his arms and helmet light up. That is so cool. I thought it was going to be like a glow in the dark when I first saw it. Ah, but this is way better. Ooh, I really like this. So guys, that'll be it for today's video. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more like the theme park fun and just fun stuff in general, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop that like and share this video. Leave down in the comments below which one was your favorite item out of the box set. Mine was definitely the light up Mysterio. And as always guys, I hope to see you all in the next video.